Today we are going to make a sound using rubber, glass, and ball. Here's what you need.
Firstly, put each rubber to both the glass and the ball, then try to twang the rubber. When we stretch out and twang the rubber band, we will hear a quiet sound. By stretching it over a glass or ball, it will produce a louder sound. The glass and ball amplifies the sound of the rubber band because its walls also start to vibrate.
That's all for our experiment today. Thank you and see you!